Hello and welcome back to our channel Maha Uma's World. Thank you everyone for your continued support. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video. Hello, today I am going to make the healthy Ragi Kheer. Let's start. The ingredients we need are ragi flour around 2 tablespoons, sabudana 1/3 cup, it's optional. For sweetness I am using jaggery, you can use sugar as well. Some mixed nuts, raisins, 1/3 teaspoon cardamom powder, pinch of salt and some ghee. These are the ingredients we need. Ragi is a healthy millet. It's rich in calcium and iron, so try to include ragi in your diet. Before making the kheer, soak the sabudana for 20 minutes. Then make jaggery syrup. Add some water in the jaggery and boil it. Then boil 2 cups of milk and keep it aside. Take a saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once it got heated, add mixed nuts and roast well. After nuts roasted well, add raisins and saute for a minute. Once it got roasted, keep it aside. Save some nuts for garnishing purpose. In same pan, add 2 tablespoons of ragi flour and saute well for 5 minutes on low flame. Then add milk and whisk well to avoid lumps. Boil in low flame. Add some more milk and stir continuously. Now you can see I added all the milk and there are no lumps. You need to mix it continuously. At this stage I am going to add soaked sabudana, mix well and cook until it gets transparent. Tips: make sure to add sugar or jaggery syrup after the flour is cooked completely. Add only hot milk, otherwise lumps will form. Now you can see the sabudana turn transparent. Then the kheer also become thick and creamy. It will be slightly shiny and glossy. It means the ragi flour is cooked. At this stage, add jaggery syrup or sugar as per your need and mix well and cook for 2 minutes. At the end, add cardamom powder and pinch of salt. Now add fried nuts. Mix well and switch off the flame. The kheer consistency should be little runny because it thickens in time. Now healthy millet ragi kheer is ready. I hope you all like it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.